Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you might be thinking why am I looking like this and in this dull face, but it's not like a dull face. I'm a little bit sick right now and that's why I didn't upload a video for a very long time. I just woke up and it's already 9 a.m. I won't lie, it's already 9 a.m. And yeah, I had my college today, but I couldn't go because my eyes suddenly opened at 4 a.m. and I don't know, I felt dizzy and then I felt a bit low. I'm experiencing like this from past few days, but it's fine. I'm recovering, guys. So let's do something because I don't want to just lie down in the bed and feel like no, I'm sick, I don't want to do anything. No, I don't want to do like that. So I've already spent half of my day by sleeping because it's already 9 in the morning. So I'll just show you guys what I usually do when I'm at my home, except for I'm a bit tired today and I don't have that maximum energy to just showcase. But yeah, I'm making this video because I'm alone right now. So let's get into my morning routine, whatever I do when I'm not in my college. So let's go. I've just changed and come. So this is my area of the room. I mean, that part is mine, and it's a little bit messy because I just woke up, guys. So let's completely transform. I'm not completely tired though, but I can make my bed and I'm gonna transform the light. Not that I'm gonna transform the room, but I can completely change the vibe of the room because I might feel a little bit less low. So let's get started. So it's all clean and the view is also pretty good, and I have written something on the board which was to read microprocessor. These are my subjects from second semester and these are the things which I have to read, but none of the boxes are full by the tick. And these are something, I don't know what I've written. It's already been 4 to 5 days which I've written it. So I'm also not sure what I've written. I have to calculate it. Okay, so this is the table and I have to manage this. So let's give you a short transition. Okay, so this part is also all clean now, so I can live in a clean and peaceful environment from now on. So today I have decided that I will turn on both the lights and this window also. I always prefer to close the curtains because I'm more like night person, and also I like dark rooms and all, not the one with lots of natural lights. So now guys, I will just go and wash my face and all because you can see that I still have mascara from yesterday and my face is also looking kind of weird. So let's go and refresh. So guys, I was not prepared at all for saying this because I just bought a product yesterday which was a face wash. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, but I just tried it. You just saw the video and I was amazed by it because not because I was amazed by it. Like, it was too good. I just applied a pea size of face wash and it was totally foamable, and I have a combination skin. I didn't feel like I have very dry skin right now, or my face is just as it was. No, it is, I guess, I won't say a word because this is the first time I'm using it, but I will probably give you a feedback of this face wash after I'll be using for a few weeks, and I'll make you a separate video on this product is good or not, because I can show you the product right now, because that would not be good. So I will definitely give you the review of this product, and I'll be very happy to share this with you guys if this product will be good. So now it's time for making the water, and why I'm saying I'm making the water, I'll just show it to you guys. So I have water in this kettle, and then I'll be putting this ORS, that is oral rehydration salt citrate IP, because my blood pressure is also low right now and I'm feeling very low, and my digestion is also not good. So I'll be making this. Although it's not very tasty to drink this, guys, this is the most expensive drink I can have right now, which is 10 rupees of water. So although this is not so tasty to drink, I have to be very concerned about my health, and I have to drink this. I'm just stirring this. I haven't drank water since I woke up, so hydrating is the most important part in summer, guys. It's already, I guess today is June, right? So it's already June, and I guess, and the summer makes you very frustrated, very irritated, except if your favorite season is summer. Mine's not. I hate this summer, except for mango. Okay, I love mango, but except for that, I really hate this season. And see what this season brought me. I became sick. Although I was severely sick when I was in December. That's the winter season, guys. That's I'm discriminating this season, okay? Thank God season does not have laws. Okay, so I'll be pouring this water into this, whatever you guys can say, tumbler, water bottle, straw water bottle, anything. So this is the water. Oh my God, guys. So okay, I'll be pretending that this is not the ORS water. This is not Jeevan Jal water. Jeevan Jal, the water which will give you a life. My life water. Okay, let's not pretend that this is Jeevan Jal. Let's pretend this is Tang water. Okay, this is orange flavored. Orange is very what do you say that? What do you say, guys? No, sugar, salt, something. I have the word here but not in here. So let's drink this. My goal is to finish this water. So guys, this is the motivation for you. If you guys are sick, you must have to drink and eat everything, just like I did. Please guys, if you're watching this video, just stand up and clap for me, because I just finished this whole water. Don't mind this. I'm very proud of myself, and this is the trophy for drinking that, because I hate that water. I simply hate that water. I don't like this water at all. But this is the life-giving water, so I love my life, so I have to drink this. Okay. So if I was not, excuse me. So if I was not sick, or if I had been feeling well, then I would have definitely had my breakfast, because right now I'm in hostel, and the hostel provides breakfast, which is biscuit, and it's not healthy for me, and I totally want to avoid sugar from now on. And I'll make challenge video as well, in which I will motivate you guys, and even if you don't get motivated, I will motivate, so I will be thinking that yeah, I have to make a video, so for making that video I shouldn't be eating sugar and this and that. So yeah, that's the future case. For now I won't have any breakfast because already, where's a watch? I don't know, it's already 10 a.m. I guess, and I won't be having any breakfast because I have Satu, but I won't be having that because it's summer season and my body does not take that very well, and it makes me very dehydrated. And another option is biscuit, and I don't want to eat that as well because it's very 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 sweet, and it's in the morning time and in my empty stomach. I don't want to eat that, so I'll just directly have lunch today, which is rice, lentil, vegetable, and a little bit of pickle. But before having lunch, I will show you guys something that that thing is not, yeah, that's a very new thing. You haven't seen that thing in my whole previous video. So this is the new thing which I have just started from today, and I will show you what I have included in my routine. So let's go. You cannot laugh, okay? You don't judge me. Even if you judge me, I don't care, but you guys are my beloved ones, loved ones, so I don't want to get judged by you. But so okay, not but, oh my god, how many times I've been saying but. So okay, guys, I don't know, guys. Yeah, I guess I'm mentally not well. So let me show you what another thing I have included in my routine. I will be doing yoga from now on. Yoga or exercise, whatever you say, but this is yoga. And what I am going to do right now is Talasana, I guess, or something asana, yeah, that is, and it's for your flexibility. So I will show you how to do that. First, separate your legs and then keep your hands like this, and then slightly move upwards. Hold there for 30 seconds and 30. Slowly. I'm not teaching you guys that you should be doing this. Just watch the YouTube video and do whatever you like, because I'm not expert in this field, and I just did the first step by watching the video, and I already feel my legs are stretching. So I'll be doing this 3 times, and then I will show you another asana. Okay, so next up is Bhujangasana, and I will be doing that by sleeping like this and putting my head up like this. Yeah, this is the yoga, and I will be holding this for about 15 seconds. I've already done this 4 times, so it's good to go. Okay, so the next asana is Panchito. Okay, wait, let me just see. Okay, Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana. So I'll be doing that. I don't know what that really is, but let's see. Okay, guys. So this is I don't know. I can do it. I know that. So while putting my leg this straight, I feel like I'm already flexing. No. My body is also already stretching it out, and I don't know how I will touch my toe. Yeah, guys, I have to do that. I have to put my hands like this. I have to go slightly backward, and I have to touch my toe, and I can't do that. See how much weight I've already become fat, guys. Oh my god. Wait, I'll do up to here for now, okay? Don't judge me. Oh my god. I kind of feel like many exercises have yoga, right? Because these are the asanas or asana which we do, and most of the exercise also have like this, I guess. I don't know what kind of things. The difference is the exercise mostly have weights which we have to pull up, but yoga is best, guys. I will promise you guys, after doing yoga for few months or few weeks, I will be able to touch my leg. Okay, last asana was sitting on my lap, I mean like this, and then I will be doing the meditating pose, and then I will do like this, and I will do namaste, and then come again. So I did a few yoga, and I'm not very well today, and this is my first day of doing it, so I am not putting pressure on my body. So I'll be doing it very slowly, and I'm not that fat, guys. I'm just something crazy, and I don't feel like I'm that fat, but I'm not doing this for being slim and all. I'm doing it to become fit and healthy. So I will now go to have lunch, guys. So I was saying something, and my iPhone said, iPhone storage full. Please manage your photos and videos. Where do I manage it? Have you given me storage so that I could manage? Oh my god, my frustration toward iPhone is very real in this case. Everything is perfect except for storage. Yeah, besides this, okay, aside of this, I will go to have lunch now because it's already 21 a.m. and I guess I have done exercise yoga for about 20 minutes, and which is a very good start, I guess. Even if it is not, I have to be motivated for myself, and I will keep saying to myself that I have done a great job today. So this was my morning routine, guys. So typically my morning is not like this. It's kind of no fun, nothing morning routine. And also I haven't done my skincare right now. So for the skincare, I'll not be showing this right now. That is the very usual part of my routine, because basically my nighttime skincare is a little bit different. I just don't wear sunscreen and moisturizer. The rest part is but same as it is, right? You girls have to take care of your body. I mean, not only body, but yeah, physically. You also have to be physically fit and mentally fit as well, because the main part is mental health. So you have to be very good at that. You have to be prepared. You have to be confident. Most importantly, don't forget to smile. Always be happy. If I want to say something to you guys today, because I want to, and I don't know why, I just want to say, healing is also progress, my love. Drink your water, stretch a little, and don't forget, your soft days are still your strong days, just like mine, or maybe better than mine. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.